Welcome back to Rena MoMoney Plus. I'm Rena MoMoney, and today we're going to be talking about how to keep your deal. The secret of not letting them steal your wholesale deal. Let's go. Jumping right in. Here's the thing. A lot of times we get a deal, a wholesale deal, and another wholesaler or the seller themselves may try to steal your deal. I have a way so that no one will steal your deal. Before we get started, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, like, and I want you to comment below and tell me if it's ever happened to you where you had a deal and another wholesaler came in and stole it. Comment, put that below. I'm interested in knowing about that. So let's jump right in. How to keep your deal and not get it stolen from you. Simple, easy. The best way to hold on to your deal is to have what we call an Affidavit of Memorandum. It's an affidavit of equitable interest. It clouds the title. So if they try to go behind your back, when I say they, I'm talking about another wholesaler or the seller. So if another wholesaler comes in and where you've advertised it, and they come in and try to undercut you with the seller, if you have this affidavit of memorandum on file with the courts, with the county courts, you will cloud the deal and save your deal, because guess what? They can't sell it. She or he cannot sell it without that affidavit of memorandum being released. Okay, so again, that key nugget here is the affidavit of memorandum, which is affidavit of equitable interest. You have that done, you will save your deal. Because here's the thing, often they get higher offers. And this will prevent the seller from taking a higher offer after he's already agreed with you. Remember, he signed a purchase and sale agreement. So you definitely want your purchase and sale agreement. You want your purchase and sale agreement. You also want your assignment of contract or assignment of agreement. And you also want to take your affidavit of memorandum. You need to sign, but you also have to have notarized. So what you want to do, if you feel shady about it, some investors, they do it each wholesale deal. They will have that affidavit of memorandum so that they can go out and have that ready. Some do it if they feel shady. Like, I don't record each and every one that I do. I don't do a lot of wholesale deals anymore, but I still do some. I don't record each one, but that's my own preference. What I would recommend is have that ready, have that there. So that's that document that will protect your deal. It'll cloud it up and they can't sell it. Because what'll happen is wholesalers, a lot of times they'll say, okay, wow, she's selling this for 150. Just an example. She's selling it for 150. She probably is getting 130. So I'm going to offer 140 or something of that nature. So long story short, that affidavit of memorandum will protect you and keep you from getting your deal stolen. Again, you want to file it if you feel that the seller integrity is a little, then you want to file it. Or if it's a lot of money you're making, if it's like $25,000, $40,000, $60,000 you're about to make, I would do it if it's $10,000 that you're about to make, or you think that that this is a great property that someone will steal from you. If you just feel any kind of weary way, go ahead and file it. It's in our courthouse, it's only about $14 to file. It's well worth it because you got all these thousands into it. So go ahead and file it because it's only valid if you file it. And of course, on that memorandum, you'll see where your information will go on there to be contacted. You could put your business address and your business email. So if someone is inquiring about it, they're at a title company where here they're trying to close with another person. Well, when that title company pulls it up, it's going to come up and it's going to cloud it. Then they're going to need to contact you to either pay you out or have you to do a release. If you're going to do a release, you need to get something for it. If you want to be a hardball, try to ask for the whole thing. But if you can tell the numbers are tight and it's not going to work, say, hey, well, look, I have equitable interest in this property. I tell you what, give me $1,500. Go ahead. Depends. It depends. It may be a situation you can tell. You'll fill this out. And if you come across something like this, if you come across it and you don't quite know what to do, shoot me an email or let me know if you need a little help there. I can probably help you out if you're in the state of Florida. Again, most of my deals are now in Florida. I know the Florida laws handward and backwards, but I don't really know all the other states. But it's easy because you can call your title company that you've developed that relationship with and ask them, okay, look, this has come up, this is what's happening. You can even talk to the title company that they're trying to close the deal with, where they just went behind you to try to close the deal. So if this video was helpful to you, do me a favor, it helps me out a lot. Click the like, comment, let me know something, talk to me. I like to talk to folks. As you can tell, I talk. Let me know a video you may want me to expand on. Let me know what you would like to see more of. Let me know what was helpful. Kind of talk to me a little bit. So comment, please like, because that really helps. And let's move forward and do this journey and just take this journey together to get more money, and more money. Okay? That's a great tip. And that's the way you save your deal and keep your deals. Hopefully these videos are helpful and will help you on your way to become a better you.